Hello, and welcome to another tutorial where I show you how to play the primer level lesson book from the purple book from the Faber series, Piano Adventures. It's the second edition. If you want to support the channel, just like and subscribe. And if you're not sure if some of this information you don't know, just go back and watch a previous video. So now we're going to do C story. Instead of my hands being in a C5 finger scale, my right hand is there, but my left hand, my thumb is on C. So it can be confusing. In a C5 finger scale, my right thumb is on C, my left pinky is on C. So both hands have the same notes. But in this one, my thumbs are both on C. So they'll be different notes. My left hand will now have F, G, A, B, and C as shown in the diagram in the book. So I'm going to start with my left hand, and I'll play the song and then break it down a little bit. Okay, I still think counting is a great way to proceed as you're playing your notes to make sure that you're playing with the correct rhythm and not skipping over notes that have more than one beat. It can be easy to do that. So while my left hand starts and it's playing fingers 1, 2, and 3 to play C, B, and A, and then I'm going to go back up, B, and C. And now I'm going to step down, stepping as in going to the next note, all the way down to F, not skipping any notes. And then I come back up. Repeat your C, and the last one has 2 counts. Okay, that's the top line. Now the bottom line, you're going to start with your C, and notice it's the same finger we actually started with in the other hand. This piece is kind of different from Ode to Joy from earlier, where we're playing the same notes. But you have to use different fingers, 3, 3, 4, 5 in the right hand, and 3, 3, 2, 1 in the left hand. This one, you play different notes, but the same fingers. So if I were to play these back to back, it would sound like this. 2, 3 in both hands, 4 in both hands, 5 in both hands. So my hands are actually moving mirror to each other. This is an important lesson. When your hands are moving the same direction, the notes could be the same, but the fingers are going to be different. When your hands move opposite each other in contrary motion, the fingers can be the same, but the notes will be different. Okay, so now the right hand, for the second line, we play C, D, and E with fingers 1, 2, 3, and then we go back down to C, stepping down. So again, I should clarify when I say going down to C, don't go straight to C. You should step down to D and step down to C. Now we're going to step up D, E, F, G. So all the way to my pinky, and now all the way back down to C. So F, E, D, and C. There we go. That ought to get you started with the song, but if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Again, like and subscribe to support the channel. Good luck and have fun.